Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajalau Konrad K. Sangma hakasngi palai ulakhle ya kajingelang ka cabinet ha assembly chamber hakabaga Sorkar krapadiang ya kakaipot jong ka independent inquiry committee kabayade bat kajing tiar kajing duonong bat ka human resources management jong ka MEECL bat kilai teliki tenat ki bahapa po jong ka Konrad Sangma uloong baka cabinet kalapatha ya katanat boarding ban shim ya kisien jam ban pentrai kam ya kijing Jingmut bar ulapan benaru ba ya kakai pot on supply pat ba ha ka official website hakisngi ban sawan
Proposal for consideration of the recommendation of Independent Inquiry Committee report to inquire into allegations and to record findings and make recommendations concerning the procurement, AT&C losses and human resource management of MECL and its 3 subsidiary companies. You are aware that this independent inquiry was set up, and after the department and other departments and the MECL and others having gone through all the aspects of this inquiry, it was presented to the cabinet today, and the cabinet has accepted this report. And after accepting this report, it has given instructions to the power department to ensure that all steps are taken to implement the different suggestions that have been made by this inquiry committee and also to make this inquiry committee report public. So we'll be putting it on the website in the next couple of days so that it is made public for the people in general and anybody can access this report.